Today is Friday, August 8th, 2025. We are here to give y'all a tropical update over here in the Pacific on Tropical Storm Henriette. She is expected to become a hurricane category 1 within the next day or two. She's going to be moving northwest of Hawaii. She's going to start heading towards the northwest. If it holds on tight, if it don't turn no more, it's going to hit the Bering Sea up there close to Alaska. Marking these two areas in the Atlantic. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Whoop.